Alright, today is March 26, 2018. I just thought I'd do a quick review on this tweak here that I put out before the market opened today. We're basically looking at the ES, and we're saying that based on the market profile, we're basically looking for these single print get printed, and this was tweeted out by me on the weekend, and then I just follow up today this morning about 35 minutes before the opening bell. And we're basically saying initially on the weekend before we saw this big move up, I was looking for the ES to come, to trace back up to fill these single print. But instead, since the overnight inventory and overnight price action is net long, and it looked like it's going to be a gap up open, and so basically it's still looking for those single print get filled. So instead of looking for a initiative buying to push it up, we're basically looking for a responsive selling back down into those single print. Okay, and that's basically what we got as the session progressed. We saw the first set of single print got taken care of, and the second print got taken care of. So what I was thinking about doing is just go and review that. So basically, this is the market profile that essentially we're looking at, and these are the single print that we are looking for today's to fill, today's price action to fill. Okay, and here's the open. So it's open in range, and above this these single print. Okay, so you can see that. Let me switch over to this candlestick chart, and you can see how the responsive selling came in and took care of all these single print. All right, so it opened here, got a little dip, and then went up. All right, went up and came in here and found some seller, and then now we start getting responsive selling. So sold it back down here at the first 30 minutes, and then the next 30 minutes bounced a little bit, but unable to get above the opening high. Then continue to be sold off, and it came in, and here once it crossed its line, that's where we start filling in these single print. See, the first 30 minutes came down here and filled this single print. I mean the second 30 minutes, and then the third 30 minute came in and almost complete the fill. Then in the last 30 minutes of the first 2 hours of trading, it came in and filled this, and also dipped down and filled the second set. Second set, and notice this is all one time framing down. Okay, then once we fill these single print, came down, made it low, and came back up, and you can see the back test on this single print here, and now it start coming back up, and you can see that once it took out this high, it's all basically one time framing up throughout the day. And now it came up over here. It is shy about one tick of filling this single print here. So I would expect maybe tomorrow, if the price open near the high here, this single print will get completed, and then maybe we see a reversal back down or continuation to move up, and check this point of control, this naked point of control here, made on the 22nd at 2672.50, or it will come down and check some of these other stats that I will update later on. So you can see that a lot of time keep an eye on these single print, and also we got a pull low down here that need to be taken care of also. So that will eventually be tagged and get this pull low resolved. So that's basically just a quick look on how these price action take care of some of these what we call unfinished business.